quick product update from Shelf. So thank you to everybody that has been writing us and contributing to the Shelf asset management project with ideas, feature requests, and more than anything, use cases. One of the use cases that you, the community, told us about was about managing the asset inventory instead of from filters, from search. So I would like to let you know that we've been working really hard on upgrading our search. We have a vectorized search, which means that we can search on multiple fields at once within your database. And we're very excited to hear what you guys are going to think about it. Let me show you how it works, and then we can see how this can help you or your business manage your assets better. So let me move Shelf side, and let's look at Shelf. So I am currently on an asset inventory page, which belongs to a user called Richard, who's managing 36 assets. Before, you used to be able to search on categories, tags, filter, and if you were to use our search, it would just search for an asset. So for instance, if you're trying to look for flooring, it will find in your database two objects, one flooring cutter and one flooring nailer, for instance. However, we have new options available. Let's say that you're trying to find out everything that is on the London South, or let's say on South warehouse. Our search should be able to filter you 4 items that are belonging in the London South warehouse from the inventory filter, and you can double check that London South warehouse has 4 assets. For instance, you might be trying to locate an object. Let's say that you have a database of thousands of objects, and somebody, instead of using a tag or a category, actually added a comment or a description in an object that says refurbished. Hey, somewhere in our database we have a refurbished item. Now you're going to be able to look for refurbished, and it should be able to pull out a result. Here you have a refurbished in the object description. So this vector search is also going to allow us to do like a combined search within different fields. So let's say that you're trying to find all objects that belong to the category crane. You can show us one, or you can say all objects with high value. Okay, great. But you can also do all objects that are high value and are owned by Carlos Virreira. I'm gonna put 1. You want to see all the objects that are in the custody of Carlos Virreira. I'm gonna put, in this case, 1. But so for the demo, let's add myself on let's give myself the custody of these crowd floats. If you know what it is, props to you. So I'm giving myself custody. Once I give myself custody, the entry is logged, so you're always going to have a backtrace of when this change of status was given. And for instance, I'm going to be able now to look for all the objects that are in the custody of Carlos Virreira. It should find 2. I can also say, hey, all objects that are under the custody of Carlos Virreira and are of high value, I should be able to find. So I think that the options and how versatile this search is can allow you to find and locate assets better. We are in the business and we have the goal to allow companies to create a very up-to-date asset inventory. So any way that we can come up with ways, methods to sort and locate assets faster for you, it's a great thing for us. So we hope you like this short update. We're going to be releasing a lot of new features, and I can't wait for you to check them out. Hopefully this was an interesting update to you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Carlos here.